Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Sabrina's Carpenter iconic fashion using only non-VIP items in DTI. So let's just get started to create the look. But first, I'm going to show you the hair that I'm using for this look. So you can put on this two hair on the curly hair. I'm using this color in here for the hair, and this two from the updo hair category, but only use the bangs, and this one from the straight hair category, and last one the bang from this hair. Now for the outfits, I'm going to use these items from the summer update and change all of the color into black, but I'm going to change the material into glitter for all of it. And next you can put on this top in the women's sections, and again make it glittery, change the color into black. And as for the shoe, I'm going to use these heels and change all the colors into black. And let's put on some accessory like this one on the neck here. I'll make it glitter, and this necklace in here also change the color into black. And the last item that you need to put on is this bunny ears. First preview black and the second one, but make the first one glittery. So this is the final look for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.